Hello, thanks for tuning in. Alright, today I wanted to show you guys a model car that I've been waiting for a little bit. It's a pretty rare car, there's not many of them, you don't see many of them online. It's in the 1/18th scale, it's by, I guess, 999 Collection. And it's Netherlands die-cast company, made in China. Exact ornament car. Adult, not suitable for children under 14. This is the 1990 Honda Civic EF-9 SiR. This is the hatchback in red. So, comes in just a little styrofoam inside. We'll get it out and take a look at it real quick. Alright, there it is, the 1990 Honda Civic EF SiR. This is the 1/18th scale. It's absolutely beautiful. The detail is amazing. You can see all the lines in the seats. It does roll backwards, forward and back. The doors do not open, the hood does not open. Again, it's in 1/18th scale. This is a overseas spec, so the driver is on the right side instead of the left. And I'll see if I can zoom in so you guys can see. Look at that detail in there. The mirrors actually have reflectors. It's got back seats. Extremely detailed model. I'm very pleased with this model. Let me get it laid out upside down so you can take a look at the bottom. Alright, as you can see, the bottom is very detailed as well. It says 1/18th Honda Civic. Of course, like most things made in China. But even though this is made in China, this model is a very good model. At least in my opinion. Like I said, the wheels do turn. It's got the transmission, some on the suspension, full exhaust. So you even got little cables. They're not actual cables, they're just kind of I guess, molded in there, but the detail is very good. Alright, so overall, I think this is just a really good model car. It is a bit expensive, but it's a 1/18 scale. It's decently sized. The detail is very, very, very good for what it is. And if you're into these things, or you're a collector, or you own one of these cars, then this is definitely something that you might want to pick up. I think it's worth it. You don't see them very often, there's not many of them, so this is going to go back in the box and just sit on a shelf. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.